Hello again from wherever you're watching, and welcome to Bima 101. Like you read on the title of the video, today we'll be looking at the 10 best motor insurance companies in the country. So I've compiled this list based on research I have done on the internet and also my experience as an insurance agent. And we will begin at position 10 with Takaful Insurance Africa. So it was founded in 2008 and licensed to operate in 2011. Now, the company is a pioneer of ethical and innovative products. Takaful Insurance is based on Sharia or Islamic religious laws. Now, it is headquartered at Renaissance Corporate Park, Elgon Road, Upper Hill. So, Takaful is one of the unique insurance providers that we have, in that they offer insurance based on Islamic law. So for the people who are Islams in the country, this is a really good company that you will find to operate. Remember, there has been a lot of discussions on whether insurance is halal or not, and I think Takaful was an attempt to actually bridge this gap between insurance and also what is allowed in Islam. So at number 9, we have Direct Line Insurance. So Direct Line was incorporated in 1998. Now it has the legacy of Kenya's leading PSV insurer. Yeah, for those of you who know, Direct Line is maybe the company with the most PSV covers on the road. The matatus that you see are mostly insured by Direct Line. So the company also offers other types of motor insurance covers, including comprehensive covers, commercial, and also private covers. So the company is headquartered at Hazina Towers, 17th floor, Monrovia Street. So this is a company I have interacted with before. As I told you, they are one of the best PSV motor insurance providers that you will find. They're also the only PSV providers in this list, and that is Direct Line for you. Yeah, so you should definitely check them out. There was a time that they have been having some issues, but I think most of the issues have been sorted in a way. The company still remains operational. So at number 8, we have GA Insurance. So the company was incorporated as an insurance company back in 1979. So over time, the company has earned its standing as one of the most reputable insurance companies in Kenya. It is headquartered at 4th floor, GA Insurance House, Raf Buche Road, Nairobi. So GA is actually one of the insurance companies that are very innovative in their products and also in their marketing. Yeah, you are likely to find some very catchy billboards in town about GA. So GA is also a very good motor insurance company. I have heard a lot about them from my fellow agents. So this is also a very equally good company to insure your motor insurance cover with. They particularly have a very good what you call Uber cover for Ubers. Yeah. So if you have an Uber, this is one of the companies that you should probably think of when you're insuring your vehicle. So at number 7, we have APA Insurance Company. So this is a subsidiary of Apollo Investments Limited. Apollo was established in 1977, becoming the first locally owned insurance company. Yeah. So APA came into life in 2003 after the merger of Apollo Insurance Company and Panafric Insurance Company. Now, APA is headquartered at Apollo Center, Ring Road, Parkland, Westlands. So, APA is also a good company if you're thinking of insuring your motor insurance covers. I have actually done some business with them, and I can attest to the fact that they will pay your claims swiftly. They also have very good customer service, and they are also relatively affordable. So APA is also one of the insurance companies that you should probably think of when you're taking your motor insurance cover. Now, at number 6, we have AIG. So this is the American International Group. You could know them from back when they used to sponsor Manchester United. So it's a global insurance organization providing a range of insurance and other financial services. So AIG Kenya is a majority owned subsidiary of AIG Inc. Yeah. So AIG was formed in December 1919 when American Cornelius van der Star established a general insurance agency in Shanghai, China. So it has some very deep and also some very unique roots there. So AIG Kenya is headquartered at AIG House, Siromo Road, Parklands, High Ridge. So this is actually one of the best companies that you could ever insure your motor insurance cover with. Most people talk about them being a bit expensive, but they are worth the cost. They are quick, and they will also they have very good customer service. This is a company that you should sleep soundly if you have actually insured your motor insurance, your motor vehicle with them. So, like you have noticed, we are now to the top 5. We have arrived at the top 5 companies. So basically, these are brands that you all know. These are brands that are always present. Most of them have a lot of vehicles that they insure with also a lot of agents. So I'm very sure that you have come across the top 5 that I will be listing shortly. So at number 5 we have Britam Insurance Kenya. Yeah, so it is owned by Britam Holdings PLC. It commenced operations in 1965 and it has branches across the country. It is headquartered at Britam Center, Mararagati Road, Upper Hill. So Britam is one of the best insurance companies that you could actually insure with. They also, I found that they have a very unique way of treating their customers. If you are one of their customers and they give you a motor insurance policy and you haven't been involved in an accident, they will reduce their rates when you are renewing. They actually do that for Britam, and I found it to be very good, especially for existing customers. So it motivates their clients to not only take care of how they are driving, but to also stick with them. They're also very quick in settling claims, and they have very good customer service. So that's Britam at number 5. At number 4, we have Jubilee Insurance, another well-known brand in the country. So it was incorporated in 1937 in Mombasa. Yeah, so it is a subsidiary of the Jubilee Holdings Limited, a multinational insurance holdings company headquartered in Nairobi. So the company also has branches across the country, and it is headquartered at corporate office, Kilimanjaro Road, Nairobi. So Jubilee, another very good insurer. In fact, they used to be one of the best. Uber, I think they are also still very good in insuring Uber vehicles. And it's interesting to note that Jubilee is actually partly owned by Jubilee by Alliance. So they mainly go by the name Jubilee Alliance. Yeah, but it's also a very good company to insure your motor vehicle with. So at number 3, we have Heritage Insurance. So the company dates back to 1908 and 1924 when the Norwich Fire Insurance Society and the Legal and General Insurance Company commenced their operations in Kenya. Yeah, that's a long time ago. So the two companies later merged in 1976 to form Heritage Insurance Company Limited. Yeah, so the company is a wholly owned subsidiary of Liberty Holdings Kenya PLC. So the company also has branches across the country, and it's important to note that Heritage won the prestigious Think Business General Insurance Award in 2018. They are also AA rated by the Global Ratings Agency. So Heritage really has a lot of heritage to share. So the company is headquartered at Liberty House, Processional Way, Nairobi, Kenya. One of the best companies that I've ever insured motor vehicles with. As an agent, Heritage is the easiest, I would say, to deal with. Yeah, like they follow procedure and they always pay on time. Always pay on time. If you really have or you really need a motor insurance cover, please think of Heritage Insurance. They're one of the best. I've worked with them again in previous times. So at number two, we have CIC General Insurance. So CIC was established in 1968. It is a subsidiary of CIC Insurance and it has branches across the country. CIC, in addition, has branches in other East African countries such as Uganda, South Sudan, Tanzania, Rwanda, and also in Malawi. So it is headquartered at CIC Plaza, Mara Road, Upper Hill, Nairobi, Kenya. So CIC really came close to being number one. One of the best things about CIC is that they are able to offer products in very wide variety. Like if you're looking to insure school bus, CIC will do it for you. Motor commercial, CIC will do it for you. Comprehensive private, CIC will do it for you. And they are very compared to actually most of the companies in this list. They're one of the best companies that you could actually work with. Yeah, and they pay rather quickly, and the customer service is equally on top. So we have the number one position, and this will go to a company that you all know and probably you insure your company, your motor vehicle with, and this is ICEA Lion. So the company was incorporated on 10th November 1964. The group is owned by First Chartered Security with a majority stake of around 75%. Now it is headquartered at Riverside Park, Chiromo Road, Nairobi. Now the reason why I included ICA Lion at first position is that they are able to also do the same. They have a variety of products that they offer on motor, and most importantly, they sort their claims very quickly. If you would talk to someone who has worked with ICA motor, they really sort their claims in a very quick and seamless manner, and it leaves, as an agent, it leaves my clients, happy, yeah, and they're able to renew with me come next year. So ICA Lion is the top company that I would recommend for motor insurance at position one. But it's important to note that the rest of the companies in this lineup are also equally good. Yeah, they will pay your claims, they will give you good customer service. It was just listed based on the small differences that they actually have. So if you need insurance and probably you do not have an agent or you would like to consult, you can always get in touch with me using the contacts on your screen, and you can also leave a comment on the comment section. I know you could be an agent or someone who has experience with motor insurance in the country, and there might be something that you would like to add on the same. Please feel free to leave your comment on the comment section. So until next time, have a good one.